Hi guys, today I want to talk about the picture align. So how to align the picture in the text. So um, need to open the Sublime editor and need to create one file which is HTML file. So index, yeah. So the file is here, and I want to add this picture. Here will be the structure, and the title will be picture aligned or aligned picture. Okay, and here write this. Here I want to write this CSS is here, and the body of our I create a head H1 text, example 1, and create a paragraph with Lauren. Okay, and another paragraph with the same text, with Lauren text. Okay, but yeah, and if you open, here is this two text, and the picture I want to add here. So in the paragraph need to write this image and the source. It is an image dot jpg, yeah, and I want to change this width and height. So the style width is will be this pixel. Okay, and if you create if you write here, I want to hide with with the same pixel. Okay, so is here I want to add this image. Okay, and this dimension. Okay, and if you reopen, so the picture is here, but I want this picture, for example, here. So the right. So in the style, if you write this image and I use this float. Float is help to align a picture. So the float, for example, the right, and the picture is here. So if you change this dimension with Yeah, it is big. Okay. And if you write here right or left is here, or if you write none, uh, it is nothing. So the float is help to align a text, align an image in the text. So thank you for watching and see you later.